Hey guys, welcome back. I thought since Easter's coming up, why don't I teach you how to draw a cute little bunny? So all you'll need is paper, pencil, and eraser. And we're going to start off with a nice big round circle. And I don't want to put that too close to the bottom because this is going to be his head and we want room for his body. So I'm going to start off sort of in the center. He's got long ears, so I don't want to put him too high either. I kind of want to put him in the middle. I'm going to start with a big, nice, good size circle. Not huge, but good size. All right, so I've got a circle in the center. I'm going to draw his ears next, and his ears have this sort of petal or leaf-like shape. And what that means is it sort of comes out and then it curves and then it goes out. So it's sort of like you're starting a oval shape, but not quite, and it's not finished. So it just comes out to the side. Next, I'm going to round those ears. I'm going to round the tips and I'm going to pull it out and then I'm going to slowly bring it back in because I want him to have a tapered look. That means it goes from big to small. And inside the center, I'm going to draw a nice thin oval right in the center, and that's going to be for the inside of his ear. All right. If you have any problems, just erase, fix it how you like, and then come on back. Next, I'm going to draw his other ear. Now, his other ear is folded over, so it's going to look a little different. I'm going to start the same way. I'm going to come from the head, and I'm going to go up and around. So I'm making it slightly curvy, okay? Next, I'm going to take that, and I'm going to go a completely different direction. I'm not going to keep going up. I'm going to come down. And I'm going to round it out, just like I rounded out that ear. I'm going to round this shape out. And then this is going to be the tip, and I don't want it really pointy, so I'm going to make it a little round. And then I'm going to bring it back up. And I'm not going to join it. I'm just going to bring it so it looks like a U or a V shape, okay? Next, I'm going to take a line, not from the end, but a little from the inside, and I'm going to bring that in. There we go. So we've got one folded ear. Now, I want to put a flower on top of that. So I'm going to start with a circle in the middle, and I'm going to make a bunch of U's that are all connected, or they can look like W's, and you can make as many petals or as little petals as you like. And then I'm going to erase any lines that are inside of that circle. Now this flower kind of got away from me. I'm going to erase and I'm kind of fix it up a little bit. Okay. There we go. I added one too many petals, but you can make your flower however you'd like. Remember, art is what you like, what you think you like, how you feel, and don't worry about making things perfect. All right, so next up, he's also, see how we have this long skinny oval in the middle? He also has some pink here, except because his ear's folded, we're not going to be able to see all of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little area that would be where his pink ear would be showing. So I just made this little tiny oval right in the middle, and that's going to be pink when I color it in. All right, next let's draw his face. Now, I'm going to put his nose rather low, about there in the center. And he's got a cute little heart nose. So I'm going to put a little heart nose right in the middle. And his eyes are upside down U's, and they look like he's smiling. And I put the eyes in the same row as the nose, except slightly above. So one U, another U. There you go. And underneath those U's that are upside down, his cute little smiley eyes, I want you to draw a thin oval right underneath. And those are going to look like his cheeks. Excellent. Next, let's add some whiskers. We're going to do 2 whiskers on one side and 2 whiskers on the other side. Next, we're going to draw his body. And he's got this cute little rounded body. So I'm going to start at the neck. And I'm going to round a little body, just like that. So his head's going to be much bigger than his body, which is part of the reason why he's so cute. All right, and next, I'm going to draw his feet, because we all know that rabbits have really cute big feet. So his feet are going to be round, and they're going to be at the bottom. I'm going to start slightly off the center, and I'm going to make a round foot on one side, and I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Make a nice rounded foot on the other side. Now, of course, we've got lines in the center, so we want to erase those. Let's get rid of those. And then we can start adding some details to his feet. So on the center part, I put a heart, just to kind of match his nose. And I do the same thing on the other side. So I'm putting the heart rather low. And the reason is because I'm going to add 3 little ovals on top of the heart. And those are going to be his cute little paws. And his little arms, you can do the letter C and a backwards C just for his arms, and you can make them a little bigger or a little smaller, depending on what you like. All right, and there it is. There's our cute little bunny. I'm going to go ahead and outline it just so you can see. A lot of times when I'm doing art, I like to outline it, and then I like to erase all my pencil marks so you can't even see them. So it just looks really nice and clean and finished. All right, so I am going to outline this. So I've got it all outlined. Now I'm just going to do the fun part and erase. Make sure your ink is dry before you erase, because if it's not, it's very easy to smear. So make sure your ink is dry, and then and there you've got a super cute little bunny. All right, hope you had fun. Bye, guys.